Hello guys, this is your guy Michael, the self-play strategic trader. Yeah, I'm here to do what we used to do and also to show you how I used to show you. And this is another trade that I am planning to enter, and I want to enter it right before you. I wanted to see how I'm going to enter this trade. I'm going to go about with this trade, and this trade already we have been buying, and you can see that we've bought an O for some moment, and here we are. So this is how many pips now? This is 818 pips. We've gone 818 pips on this particular trade. 818 pips. That is not small pip, my guys. But now we are still going to ride on. We've been buying. Now we are ready to what? We are ready to sell. And this is the way of showing you that you can actually trade one pair. This is how to trade one pair for a very long time. Like this is how to trade just one pair for a very long time. Now I've searched my conferences. I've watched things I used to observe before I take my trades. Yeah, I've observed things I used to observe before I take my trade, so I know this particular trade is going to pull back a little. I'm not going to close my buy because the way I'm seeing this trade is still going to buy for some time, but for now I just want to take this sell and enjoy the sell, enjoy the moment before the buy continues. So what am I going to do right here? I've already observed the structure here. Sorry, let me show you the structure that I observed that wants me to buy, to take this particular, to want to sell. I want to sell right now, so I want to show you why I want to sell this market. All right, so if we look at this if we check this time frame, okay, I know what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter my sell. After entering my sell, after the trade after the trade has given us what we wanted, I will make a full analysis because I don't want to rush and give us analysis that we will not really get. So when everything is done, I will now come back and give us the analysis on this trade, because GBP JPY, I love entering GBP JPY along with GBP USD. And if you check GBP USD, you see that it's the same formation we are having on GBP USD. You can see on 1 hour time frame is it's the same formation. Yeah, you will not understand what's happening there, but the mentorship explains more on that. By the way, let us come back to where we are and let us resume what we are doing. So right here, I'm going to enter my sell trade. Then after entering my sell trade, we are going to wait and check the result of what is going to be. But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out my Fibonacci. I'm going to pull out my Fib here. I draw it from here to here. Yeah, so I'm going to draw my Fibonacci. I don't like this color. I think I should be able to change the color. I'm going to put this one on 3 because I want it to be bold, and I want my color to be, I love seeing orange colors. All right, so I'm going to write done. Yeah, that's my Fibonacci right there. So on the levels, I'm going to use the levels to set my stops. Yeah, I'm going to use the levels to set my stops. Okay, so my first stop is going to be on, okay, it's already getting close to 50. The first one will be on 50%, and what on 50% is 156,939. 156,939. So I enter my sell limit 156,939. So after entering my sell limit, I go on, okay, let me just leave it on 0.2 because I want to enter many positions. So I go on. Yep, that's the first one. So the second one is going to be on here on 38 level, 38.2 level. One's supposed to be on 61 level, so that we enter one immediately, like right now. Yeah, I'm giving us the strategy I used to enter my trades. All right, so another one will be on 157,123. 157 123. Sell limit on 157 123. Sell limit on 157 157 423. Then I do what? I enter done. Oh, I think I made a mistake there. Sorry. 157. Sorry, 157 1 130. 157 130. So now will be on 157 130. No, it's sell. We are selling 157. Sell limit 157 130. 157.130. Though I enter, I place my trade. So which one again? Why is this thing not showing? What's going on? Am I making a mistake? 157.123. What's going on here? 157.123. Okay, let me just edit it. 157. No, this 157. Okay, there's a mistake there. It's supposed to be 157 130. Or let me just make it 123. 123. All right. So that's it over there. So that's on 38.2 level. What's supposed to be here on 157348. So I'm going to edit this one to 157348. This 40 something to 348 to 348. Okay, this one is going to be to 348. 348. I place what? I place modify. Then which one again? Which level again am I targeting? I'm targeting this 0 level, but I won't place it there. I'll just place it here. 157.615. 157.615. Sell limit 157.615. Then I enter my trade. Yep. So that's it, by the way, on entering my my limit. So I can now add some small positions, like just to fill in all those big spaces. Yeah. So from here, if I want to fill in, I fill in 1 2 3 4. So I can add 4 more positions here in between those gaps, just to make it a balanced one, because I don't want to miss any of those opportunities. So I'm going to enter 157.044. 157.044. Sell limit 157.044. See, just follow me closely. Then another one is going to be in between here, which is 156.868. I expect this price to still push up to this level, because there's a rejection zone here. So anytime we see rejection zone here, price will push up very well. It will push up very well before it will now drop. If it drops, at least if I not take profit at all, I should take profit around this area. Yes, around this area should be my first TP, or here. But let's just wait for what price is going to do. All right. So, and if I want to take profit, I can take profit based on my fibs. I can take profit on 161 here, first TP, second TP, third TP, and the last TP down there. But let's still continue with what we are doing. In between here is going to be 156.879. 156.879. Sell limit 156.879. 156.879. All right. So that's it on that. So another one is going to be where it's going to be here. 157.224. 157.224. 157.224. All right. So that's it, and the last one is going to be in between this place, which is 157.487. 157.487, and that's going to be my last position for JPY. 157.487. 157.487, and I'm going to place my trade. Yeah, so I've placed my trade. So after placing my trade, I'm going to wait for what price is going to do, and how market is going to react to my positions. I supposed to enter positions on GBP USD also, but if I enter position on GBP USD, it's not going to be as much as the one I entered there, simply because I've entered much position on that trade. So if I want to enter here, I can just enter 0.1 positions, and I bring my fibs again from down to up. So that is how it's gonna be. So my fibs again, I want it to be perfect. Be ye perfect, be ye holy. All right, from up, last stage, yeah, swing high to swing low, and that is my fibs there. And if I want to enter on my fibs also, then it's going to be on 50%. My sell limit is going to be on my 50 percentage, which is 35441, 1.35441. Sell limit 0.1, 1.35441, 35441. I place my what? I place my sell. And the other one is going to be where? It's going to be, okay, I'm supposed to enter one immediately now because I should have one on, yeah. So the other one is going to be where? On 38.2, on 38.2. Sell limit on 38.2. Sell limit on 38, 1.38. No, what am I doing? On 38.2, sorry, it's going to be 35565, 1.35565. So it's going to be sell limit on 1.35565. Please just follow me. 1.35565. All right, let me just pause the video and come back. Yeah, so I've entered the positions. Now we're going to wait and see what the outcome of this trade is going to be in the next few hours. This is what we do when we see our pattern, when we see everything aligning. We go into it, we jump into it, we enjoy the movement of the market, and that is what we do. We have been endowed. God has helped us to understand the movement of the market. So
Guys, it is obvious that it is not a guesswork. This is what we do, and the Lord has been empowering us in order to be a profitable and a consistent trader, or a consistent profitable trader. This is the trade I showed you just now, and here it is. We are in profit. So I want to close some of the trades right now and just leave some to what to run. This is how to trade the forex market. You don't have to be scared of the market. Once your analysis, everything has been achieved, just make sure you trade the market, and make sure you enter the market with full confidence. You can see the speed at which this market moved. You can see, yeah, it really moved well, and this is a very good sniper entry here. So that is what we do, and we can see the sniper entry is on what is on our a very sensitive level on what is it called, on Fibonacci retracement. So that is how to trade this market. If you join my premium channel, my premium mentorship, you will still understand more about our trading psychology and everything we look into before we take our trade. At the same time, you can make use of my free YouTube channel, free YouTube strategy, and everything is still going to work for you. So this is what we do. This is your guy Michael, the selfless strategic trader. The same thing on GBP USD. I will still come back to this show because I expect it to still move even more. So the same thing happened on GBP USD.
Outcome of the trade. This is the outcome of the trade, guys. So I wasn't able to give us the live update when it happened, but now I'm able to give you an insight to know how it went and when I took my TP. And this is the trade from looking from 1 hour. Yeah, if you remember, this was the stage I recorded for us, and price came back again to retest another position that I set before it now moved massively to our predicted direction, which actually moved up to 400 and how many pips now? Oh my god. Okay, let me target it from daily time frame so that it will be very easier for me to show you how many pips it's moved. Yeah, so it moved 465 pips. It's 478 pips. Yeah, it moved. Its total movement was 478 plus pips. 478 plus pips. And that is how to trade, and that is how to enter a trade with full confidence and knowing that you know what you are looking for in a trade. Just as I used to tell us, we don't focus, or we don't aim anything less than 100 pips. 100 pips is our minimum target. So once 100 pips is attained, then we leave the remaining position to run. We close many positions, we open many positions, depends on your account size, so don't get me wrong. So when we open positions, once our 100 pips is attained, then we take our partial profit and allow the remaining to run like 300, 400, 200 pips. Yeah, you've seen that on my channel, so there's no need to start showing us or something. And if you want to know more about if you want to check more of my results, you can come to our Telegram channel. Just this platform here. You see, just try and write this on your browser, and it will take you to our Telegram channel. Or you check our description. Our description. You are going to see our Telegram channel there, the video description. Or you just search your Telegram channel, search for the Selfless Strategic Trader on your search bar. Then you are going to see us there with our normal logo. But the best way is just search us through our link, connect us through the Telegram channel link, so that you not get to meet scammers. All right, and if you want to trade the way we trade, just enroll to my mentorship, my premium mentorship. It's mentorship, it's not a kind of course or something like that. So I'm going to teach you the way I trade, the way I take my trade, and what made my students also achieve the same result. So if you want to know that, you can always come and subscribe for our premium mentorship, or you can just take our free YouTube training. Yeah, the free YouTube training is there, so you can just take that, maximize that to your advantage. The playlist is there. Just check our YouTube playlist, then you see the free strategies that is there, so you can make use of our YouTube free strategy. So you will see our free strategy on the YouTube playlist. Make use of it, you will get your results. When you get your money, they can come for premium. All right guys, this is your guy Michael, the Selfless Strategic Trader. Catch ya. Bye bye.